Good morning, people. It's time to work. First day after holiday. I'm going to Koblenz train station, then drive further to Großröcha. Sana will drive me to Koblenz station. See you soon, bye. What's up, people? Situations like this. My car just broken and I didn't able to start. And then I was run fast until bus station, and I was keen 7 minutes before in here in my train. So it's really crazy. I thought I will be late, but it's okay now. Coffee is here. So, see you in Frankfurt. I'm going now to Frankfurt, then later to Großröcha.
Hamburg-Altona über Hanau. Abfahrt 7:17 Uhr, Gleis 13.
I'm on Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof and I have 5 minutes to catch the train. I will shoot here on 70, but they have changed. I have to go to number 3. That's 13 trains more, so I need to hurry. See you. Wish me luck. I need to buy something to eat first. I was buying a breakfast, so there is a number 3. I have 4 minutes more. And there is I think I will make it. Perfect. That was made it. Oh, 4 minutes more. It's okay. Stay tuned. So I'm arrived. I have about 15 minutes until my company and start driving. So see you later. have to tell you, the best option is when I took the truck in front of my house and drive to company. Now I need to walk, and I didn't use it, but it's okay. I have 5 minutes more near here. I don't know, did I tell you we have a new colleague here? Actually, old colleague. He's from my old company. He finished there and came here, so there's not 3 of us in Bosnia, but I don't see my truck, so I think my truck is on mechanic. They need to make a test, you know, the yearly test. I don't know how to say here is TIF. And yeah. Jäger. This is from colleague Mercedes. Duff from another colleague, and mine's not here. So I think I will go to pick up my truck to see what's happening. Easy. Stay tuned for later moving. People, what's happening? I was pick up my truck and I'm going now from this yard. Okay. Let's make it. It's crazy, but maybe too good. Dankeschön, mach's gut. So they finish everything, and I'm going now to the company to load and to drive further. Stay safe. See you later. What's up, people? I was finished. Finished loading and everything. Then I'm going to Luxembourg now. I have Luxembourg and Limburg. It's about 6 hours, 6 hour completely tour. So I'm going to make coffee and eat something a little bit, then drive further. I hope you like this morning journey from my home to company and everything later, so I hope you like it. See you in another adventure. Stay safe. Bye. People, you think it's finished? It's not finished. It's how much time is now? 7 o'clock exactly. I still working. I am 30 minutes from home. I will stay here to go to toilet and everything. So this was one crazy day. I should suppose finish in 2 o'clock, but they give me extra Luxembourg. I don't know, did I tell you that? And yeah, I was going to Luxembourg unload. I should unload one more customer today, but I was leave him for tomorrow morning 6 o'clock. I need to load, then go to the company Truck was fully washed, but I didn't tell you I was get new forklift. I was get new forklift now, so it's good. I will not have any more problem. Truck was fully washed. It was so clean, but I was have today this customer. Everything is filthy now, so I will see what should I do tomorrow. Maybe wash him again or something like that, or wait the rain. Situation is like this. I am so tired. I hardly wait to go to bed, but I need to go to my wife. She was I don't know, did I tell you this morning I was her problem with battery on my car. It won't start, it doesn't start, so my wife, she was going today to buy a new battery, so I need to change it now. This guy, he's forget to take the key with him. Somebody can install it. Hope not from Frankfurt. So 7 o'clock, 7:30 I will be at home, and I'm going to change the battery and going to sleep later. I was eat, everything is good, only to finish that and go to sleep. I need to start morning at 5 o'clock. I have 1 hour until customer. I was make appointment at 6 o'clock in the morning, so I can came to the company later. So now that will be everything for this calling for this day. I will try to upload this video today, Monday. If it's not online, then it will be Tuesday. I will leave it to my daughter so she can finish. Stay safe. See you in some another adventure. Greetings from Truck Driver Germany. Bye.